Hello everyone. In this session we are going to learn draft, thread and shell. How to create draft from a face, how to thread and how to create shell. We will see this in software directly. Here you can see a rectangular block or solid. We will give draft to this rectangular solid. Click on draft. Here you can select a stationary plane, means stationary face. I will select this face. Stationary plane and this edge. Select this edge and give the angle at which you want the draft. Here you can see the draft angle. Here or here also you can edit the draft angle. Click OK. This is how you can draft a face. Okay, next command is sorry, shell. Click on shell command and select a face. Give the thickness and click OK. See, this is how you can create a shell. And next command is thread. For this we will create a sketch. I will draw a circle and extrude it to a random height. We will do thread on this circular bar. For this, click on more and here you can see the thread command. Click on thread command and select a circular bar. Here you can see the details. Length is 109, pitch whatever you want. Edit here, angle, rotation, right hand, left hand, whichever you want. Click here and click on OK. See, threads you can create. Okay, thank you.